I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Power off and lift the needle and presser foot so thread paths open. Once done, remove the spool and clear visible lint near the spool pin and tension discs. Small debris causes snarls. Make sure the thread sits correctly on the tension discs and through the first thread guide so tension is controlled. You want a smooth, uninterrupted feed from the spool. If it snags now, downstream steps will fail, so address any catch before moving on. Next, bring the thread up to the K-cup lever and pass it through the lever eye when it's at its highest point. This ensures correct loop control while sewing. Then guide the thread down through each lower guide and into the needle from front to back. This orientation stabilizes stitches. Once the needle is threaded, hand turn the handwheel toward you to lower and raise the needle so the needle grabs the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the back to prepare for sewing. Finish by lowering the presser foot and sewing a few test stitches on scrap fabric. This shows you stitch balance and whether thread tension needs tweaking. If stitches loop on the bottom or top, make small tension adjustments and retest because even half a turn matters. If the thread snaps or skips, rethread both top and bobbin carefully, replace an old or bent needle, and confirm the spool direction and bobbin insertion. A single thorough rethreading often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.